Hello and welcome to Matrix Snippets. In this session we will discuss how to create a My Display and how to manage that display. In Matrix you can only copy a system report, you can't modify it permanently. So what we do is we're going to go up to the single line and we're going to go up to the Manage Display icon, which is located right next to the gear. You have a little pencil and edit paper. Click on that and then Save as a Copy. Once you save it as a copy, you'll notice that it's in the display window as my copy of Agent Single Line. I don't like that name, so I'm going to change it, and I'm going to go back to Manage Display right over here next to the gear, remove the name that's in there, and call it Ratio, and then click Save Changes. Now I'm going to remove a few fields starting with the address. I don't want that one in there for this particular one. I know, sounds crazy. And type I'm going to get rid of, remove. And the price indicator I'm going to remove. I don't want that one in there. So now I want to add in the ratio. Click Insert. I'm going to type in the word ratio, and I'm looking for the list price per square foot above grade, and I'm going to click Apply. And that adds the ratio into the field. Now I can change the name of this if I want to, but that's up to you. You just put the double-headed arrow in there, click on it, and then backspace over the name that's in here and save it. Click Apply. So I'm going to cancel that and leave it as it is for now. Now all these changes that I've made, if I don't go up and save it again, the next time I come back in here, the changes will be gone. So you want to make sure that anytime you make any changes, you go up to Manage Display and click Save Changes. Now you should be all set. If you go out and do another search, come back in, you'll be able to have this search intact. You can also set this search or any display that you want as your default by going over to the gear and selecting Set My Current Display Sort Order and Count Per Page as my search starting default. And if you select that, and the next time you come in and do a search, this is the display that will show. Personally, I like to leave the system display as the ones on the default and then use my own as I see fit. Now the other thing that you can do with the My Ratio is if you want to export the data out of the system, you can click Export, and that one line that you created is now available for export, or any of the other ones that you created. You see where it says Ratio? It doesn't say My, it just says Ratio, so you can click Export, and that will export the data in the line format that you had set up. If you want to get rid of it or delete it, you're going to click on the Manage Display icon and click Delete Ratio, or whatever the name is of the report that you want to get rid of. So you need to make sure you select the one that you want to delete. So if you want to delete Agent Single Line, I'm going to come over here. It's not going to let me delete it because that's a system report. So you can only delete the ones that you created. So if I go back up to here, I can select that one, and I can click on the line, and it allows me to delete Agent Sold Single Line Report. If you have any questions regarding how to save or manage your own displays, you can contact MLS Tech Support 401-785-9898, select option 3. Have a great day.